Hi folks, I'm Mel from the Patuxent River Naval Air Museum and welcome back to STEAM Saturdays. For this installment we're doing engineering and we have made a pulley system. For this project you will need cardboard tubes of different sizes, scissors, a hole punch, a small plastic cup, pencils, lots of tape, ribbon, some small items to weigh your cup down with, and something to tape it all to. Before we start on our project, let's talk about what engineering is. Engineering is the application of science and math to solve everyday problems. A pulley is a wheel that carries a flexible rope or belt on its rim. They can lift people or objects. Pulley systems can be found everywhere in the world around us, from flagpoles, elevators and escalators, to even fishing poles. We're going to start by building the base of our pulley system. As you notice, I have one of the tall sections already in place, and for this particular one, we're going to do a tall section followed by a shorter section and then back to a tall section. Now, when I go to hole punch them, I'm going to hole punch them just about a ½ inch down, and I'm going to do 2 hole punches right next to each other to allow for adequate space for the pencil to go through and into the other one. As you see, I have assembled the base. I have 6 of my different tubes here, 4 tall ones and 2 short ones on each side. Next, we're going to place our pulley systems onto the pencils and into the tubes. To make these particular pulleys, I have taken a smaller tube, cut it in half, and then once you've cut it in half, you're going to go around and cut little sections on each side of it, fold them in so your ribbon or string has room to roll around the wheel itself. Alright, so I'm going to take the pencil, feed it through the holes, the double hole punches that we put on. Make sure you add your wheel onto the pencil here and pop it on through. And as you see, we have our different sections ready for the string and the cup next. Okay, so for our bucket, I am using just a small little plastic cup that I have hole punched on both sides. For the rope, I'm going to use some blue ribbon that I have, and make sure when you feed the ribbon through the holes, you tie a knot securely so nothing spills over. So as you see, I have fed the ribbon through both holes. I've tied a knot at the bottom and here at the top, so when you pull it up, the weight is evenly distributed. Okay, so to activate our pulley system, I'm going to take the ribbon and feed it over, under, and then back over, and make sure your ribbon is on the wheels. We're going to add our weights. I have a couple fossils that I've collected. We're going to drop those in the bucket and we're going to test it out. Thanks for watching this installment of STEAM Saturdays. Let us know how your pulley system turns out. We look forward to seeing you around the museum. Have a good day.